back to back. If you check your time right now, let's just say 28 minutes before the hour of 7 p.m. on this very day, Thursday, the 7th day of August 2025. Welcome back, still 89.9 Yanga FM station Win Sabi. And my name is Sirime Water Bob MC Around B. Yes, now memory lane we did, but in between, as I told you a couple of minutes ago, say we get special guests for the building, and the person actually did the building with us right now. The one and only Skales in the building.
Yes, so
once upon a time, he young Skales, but yeah, he's an old Skales. Alpha brother and our body
good,
now.
Man, good man, everywhere good, everywhere nice.
No, he over nice on the normal. I just remember like okay, when I take do show for Benin now May right? No April. Now when we dey inside April. Hotel room when they talk about how your shake body they go viral, how these European Spanish guys they dance around. Yeah. And the next you say they go to I say hey, just like that. Then you leave Nigeria, go tour for like a month. They tour from one country to another with massive people. They vibe to like 10 years ago song. So I want just know Skales right now. Which soap you stay bath? that like the streets.
I tell you more. Now my loving God where they serve. Now the soap when give me the grace when around over me. In the work.
so at any point, because we know say the whole reblowing, more use the word reblowing of Shake Body, because at the time when you released it scatter everywhere. That was the song when make everybody fall in love with you after the whole not go there EMA and the rest EMA you get. So I know say now the effect of Lami Yama now it kickstarter right. You ever suspect at any point say song when you do like way back go fall back and make you worldwide superstar? At any point you ever get time for back of your mind?
Honestly, I never been the think I'm saying it go happen that way. Yeah. But because Shake Body they blow every year. Honestly, just like this year na different blow. Every year
worldwide.
They blow worldwide. Every year they blow worldwide. I know like since I dropped on for 2014, every year now one thing or the other. Every year with Shake Body. Even me sometimes I say, oh boy, now wow, this song, But yeah, so. It's just I did happy, I did excited, and obviously be just because of the song and also because of the push way, me, myself, my team, and everybody they do because to say we keep quiet now, maybe the algorithm more, God look for bless us in this place. But as we no give up, we keep just the push to go and we release music constantly. Everything just work together for good.
Okay, I just want because it get conversation we get on that very month when me and you got a day Benin, which I did very happy for you. And you talk so I ask you, I bet this your song. You sure see that you get master because the time when you release this song, you be there on that record label that time. Remind me of the record label.
I've been released I'm under myself first, then before I can go sign deal with Baseline. So I've been first released I'm under me.
Okay.
When I first release I'm like when I first release Shake Body like I think 2 months or 1 month after I come out from EME.
And
I release them. I know now when I release them I've been no there under any record label and my own record label where I start.
So now why you still get the masters till now why you benefit 100%?
All my songs now me get everything.
Till now.
Yes.
Even at the time when you do record label, you know let them get hold of your masters.
Good deals now I signed. So fair deals.
So you go so you also did very much involved for the business part of the music.
Yes, so if you be artists, you guys know what you do. If not, they go sell you. They go sell you.
Joke apart right now.
Sell you.
Yeah, you split it. Tell me that same month how Shake Body they bring you some certain level of income, like income every year.
Every year.
This year alone with this worldwide blow and the remix when you later do, how you go say the level of income don't be so far?
We bless God. We give glory to God. God don't over try for boys. But he no put us to shame.
Okay, but on the scale, how you go say how heavy it be?
Man, I just know say things.
You go reach to buy house for Lekki.
House.
Mansion. Lamborghini.
No, we give glory to God now. The only thing I could just talk with that.
You too the code. Let us know more. Know what they are from right now.
My brother, so many evils there for this society.
Well, once they hear of your success, no problem.
We'll just say God don't try for boys.
Okay, crazy. Yeah. Now talking about the tour, it happened on your own based on. You get plan to do tour for Europe before Abina because the song fall out again. I make you do tour.
Yeah, so I mean, we don't plan this Europe tour since last year. So, but the way we got just do, man, everything just fall in place at the right time, the right setting, everything just happen when it need to happen. And like I talk, like I will continue to talk, we give glory to God.
To God. And again, how the whole collabo, the remix on Shake Body, because it's dangerous. I said the song they always come out every year, they reblow, but you never feel any need to do remix. When you come make you feel that and the right, and now they reach out to you, I mean, they reach out to them.
So most of them are, just a lot of connections, and like I said, me, the way we are the role energy and who they ready to work. Okay. So I mean, remember that day I fly enter Barcelona, and I just meet so many people. We record music back to back with different artists. We people with the hot for there. We don't even know them, but they hot for that. They hot for there, yeah, no more. Kind of thing. So I link up with them, and we just do. I just feel like say, okay, it's with the fact saying, waiting the hot for Spain as I did Spain everywhere where I go. I even tell person that we get this one. As a matter of fact, for airport they recognize me. The thing they shock me.
Yeah.
Honestly, it was crazy. And so I just think saying that it's only right to do Spanish remix, and I do Spanish remix. More remix they come in. We even do India
remix on Shake Body.
We do all kinds of them. If we go even do Benin remix.
We shall pop here, Abi.
I tell you, my brother.
Well, I love the idea though. I love the idea. It go make sense and bad. So after months on top your Europe tour, you don't fall back to Nigeria right now. You're there with a brand new song, Buzz the Speakers. Now before we delve deep into that, and if possible, say because lucky, I feel say you don't hint on dropping an album for how long now? But
we supposed to drop the album yesterday, but one thing happened. Yesterday now I'm on my birthday, so I decided say I would just leave that yesterday for the whatever emotions will go overwhelm me, and then we just think clear. But now we don't move the album, go next month. The album don't ready, as a matter of fact, everything don't set. I know they record again. No, I record just
all the songs don't day already.
All the songs don't day.
Collabo also don't day.
Everything set, everything nice.
Now talking since the passing of your mom, it be like say every single year when the whole, if not her birthday or the day when she passed, you they always like what just happened now because of how you had to postpone your album. Like how you don't really deal with grief. It be like you never feel just overcome wholeheartedly, like with full chest. Like what you say they hold you back on that.
Man, obviously, when you don't date to person your whole life, and just like that, say that person no day again. Like this person no be saying 1 year or a few months, like since they born you, like the only person where where you feel even trust with everything. So definitely in a new lifestyle way I did try understand, and sometimes I know if I did used to run because I did used to calls and all those kind of conversations
from your mom every single time.
Sometimes you get some kind of people you won't talk to, but they no did there because they don't buy. So that
family member be friends. You supposed to get close friends, like best friends now.
I don't know if I get close friends, but I get friends. No, I just a joke. I get people where they call family and all that kind of stuff. So, but But say nothing feel be like mama.
Yes, nothing. You nothing feel replace Sam.
So
now, just to see go back also, because all of us know the whole arrangement around your life, getting married, right, and living the marriage too. You also talking that because of the grief that lead to that when you know feel fortune for the marriage. Now that marriage end in a short while.
No be small thing for one I hear that one.
No, we just
I just a joke.
Yeah.
But I mean I don't talk anything like that, but I don't see many.
You know why I asked before you explain? Because around that same time we remember you burst out for social media talking about you still deal with grief with your mom. This and I wish your mom there around. Maybe the marriage for still there. You talk all these things. You get low key.
A lot of things definitely happen. Life happen. Things where you plan, things where you want. No, they sometimes just go as it be because maybe you need to learn one thing or the other. So for me, obviously, I don't like to talk so much about like my private life out there. But of course, things has happened, and I feel like right now God don't bless me to forget all those kind of things.
All those stuff.
Me, I just enjoy my life now. I just live life.
Just they push.
They push, they go, and of course, by the time my album drop, everywhere go.
Everywhere goes to our man. Okay, before we move to album right now, how your baby? How old it be now?
Fine, man. She's fine. She be over 2 years old now.
Okay, how could parenting really be, especially when you also they travel around like half of the year? You're not in Nigeria. How the parenting arrangement be?
Man, everything's sweet, everything's smooth too, because they like say everything, everything nice. You know, my daughter is the sweetest. You know, she loves her daddy so much.
Spend more time with you and the mom or how not the one?
Yeah, man, we do everything. We do everything accordingly, equally. That's all I can say for now.
Don't want to talk too much. Okay, but everything good and jiggy though.
Everything nice.
Now, okay, you know, there's no how you want move go the future without talking about the past. Now, based on this your upcoming album, who will they expect to be featured on this album?
Yeah, okay. Right now I get Fave for the album. I get
Fave?
Yeah, Fave.
Okay.
She did the album. I get Joshua Baraka.
Wow, crazy.
I get this South African guys with the single. I get the SNE on top. Who else I get for this
SNE,
album?
those are South
I get
Africa
Nas
too,
Boy for the album. Who else I get for the album?
Hold on. You are.
Yeah, Enos B.
The song don't plenty. Don't forget your
I
feature.
tell you, I get Enos B, of course. Shake Body Remix, Day Inside.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Hold on, when you mean Shake Body, the one we don't release, the one we never
remix,
release. The Spanish remix.
Yeah,
the one with Nas Boy, also Day.
Yeah.
Nas Boy do song?
Yeah, me and him do song. The song Sweet Die, no worry.
You go tear.
Bad.
Okay.
Bad.
So why I talk about there's no way moving forward. There's no way you want move go the future or talk about the present without looking at the past.
Yeah.
We know say na EME introduce you Wizkid and Shady. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah.
Shady, right? We not really hear much of him right now.
Yeah.
And on the low, some people be feel say, you know, the relationship between you and Wizkid be dey fragile and the rest. You get. At this point when you did right now with the success when you also, you know, achieve on your own. At any point do ever reconnect to Yan to say, okay, probably work on a project together?
I mean, maybe like many years ago, like maybe like I can't remember, maybe 2018, 2019, we've been in this studio, but we never really reconnect like that. So you know.
So that time when I did studio and work on song, you and Wizkid work on song.
We record songs and all.
What is song?
I don't know it. You know, years don't pass. For real. Yeah, man. But I mean, I guess when the time is right, something goes up. But for now, man, you know, we just enjoy our life. Yeah, they enjoy my life. They go. You know, they make music with, you know, all the people that are, you know, good, that I'm feeling and are nice to me, and I like their energy. Obviously. So
people that are nice, so people when not make song with not nice to you.
Yeah, they tell you they're not nice to me. I just joke.
Wizkid join those people when not nice to you.
No, not joke. They joke. I go wake up now they go say that this man me as Wizkid Batarota, so me I just like to as I did like that. I didn't live my life.
You know why? I just feel say collaboration now like by extension how friendship they go. You see how you talk and just now say you dey jump on song with people when they nice to you. Yeah. So it's also assumed if you and this guy actually start. Because right now, why they ask this question right now? I think Wizkid is the most featured artist this year alone. It just like say this year, you know, one drop your own song. It probably just they approve any song where don't jump on before. So now why they say, okay, will there ever be a chance whereby Skales and Wizkid goes actually did the same song? Because will not give us record hits during the time of EME.
Yeah.
Back to back when they tear rapping, they sing this and that. So you not go bad if we just get something like that, though.
No, hopefully, you know. Hopefully. Me, I'm good, man. Anytime the door is open.
When I ever decide meet and yarn.
The door is open, you know, it's all love on my side, you know. If it happens, it happens. So for me, I'm just more focused on my side of the things right now. I'm focused on my album. I do focus on my album.
Yeah.
You know, this album means a lot to me.
Okay.
Martina's song. So this one, so if the collab will ever come, fine. If
you go to everywhere.
We are good.
Oh yeah. Nah. So Martina's song, right? Now be the title of the album. How many track they inside?
They go be so it's 13 new tracks. Of course, no. Let me say 12 new tracks now because we have you know, one of them out, which is Bust Their Speakers. So of course then the bonus tracks we have Dance Like Lami Yama, we have Shake Body Remix, we have I have Jogo also.
That's about 17 already now.
No, that's 16.
16.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, 16. Yeah. Okay, I be there. Okay, Shake Body Remix day now.
Yeah, so it could be 16.
Okay, it could be 16.
So three bonus tracks, 13 fresh tracks.
Oh, okay, sharp. And it drop next month. Which date?
I never did certain of the dates, so I don't want to just share them now. But
I feel say this is the problem independent artists they face, because if you did record label, nobody send how you feel right now. They go drop am. They go drop am. I'm talking about why Skales never, because you not get her, you know, for the last couple of months since this whole success of Shake Body bust again. You not go tell me say they never approach you say how far. Whether not distribution, the record deal and the rest, international or local, why you not they consider them?
Man, you know, shout out to all the record labels. You know, the good thing for artists now, you know, if artists forget people who believe in Vietnam, we go soften the burden and make everything just easy for you, so if you focus on your music and all. But for me, you know, I get plenty PTSD. Because I've been signed to labels where, you know, for like almost 10 years back to back. So 5 years here, 5 years there.
Oh.
You know, it was 10 years altogether.
Yeah, me reach 5 years.
Yes, so you reached 5 years.
Oh.
No. Wait. Yes.
Oh, you not reach 5 years now.
2009, 10, 11, 12.
13 you come out.
12, 13, now I come out.
That's 5
No,
years.
13, 14. Now 14, now we finalize everything, now I come out.
9 your Shake Body also
first, I remember not like early 2014 and the issue happened, then like forward like into like May. Now we can drop Shake Body.
Okay, yeah. I think
so
I don't recall.
So it reached 5 years. Actually.
Then as you see come out there, you can't jump on top another record label again.
Label now. You know, it's not easy to push this music.
But
you need money.
But then again, it's been let's say over 7 years since the last record label now. Why you see they get PTSD? For you to overcome some personal.
You know, say when you don't reach one kind of level where you don't run things by yourself. If either they give you something where go change your life, or something where go make you know say you dey comfortable with, where you dey sure of, you know, out of experience. Now waiting go pay me, I go for. If you no go pay me in the long run, and maybe not just that sweet thing where go just boost my adrenaline. No. Later on I go come the vex, now go hear story for
come the shout.
And
you sabi express yourself well.
I know they hide my feelings no time. If you they say the closed mouths don't get fed.
Yeah.
So I don't feel me I dey yarn my yarn. As far as I get one company where I won't need to yarn them. If I buy one, they I don't pay for Wi-Fi since I travel come back.
Everybody they complain of that actually.
That. And they use my hotspot every time. And I pay for complete Wi-Fi for months. Because when I pay for months.
Yeah.
You know, with plenty companies they will collab.
When you want collab,
go move on.
We'll move on. Anyway, so we go get. I know so you do Industrial Night. Industrial Night host you was last week, yeah. Mm-hmm. That was last week, right? Yeah. Where you also get to premiere boss the speaker, right? So we go get like an listening party based on this your upcoming project.
Definitely. September, of course, before the album drop, go do listening party.
Yeah,
we'll hear all the tracks, you know, exclusively. Anybody we did there go hear them.
Yeah.
Understand? But one thing I could tell you, say you will end up being mind blown. They go boss your medulla oblongata.
You boss their speaker on the normal now.
Boss their speakers, no time.
Okay, talking about your love life right now, how you don't be so far?
Wow.
Because some people they have the opinion.
Yes.
Say the moment men don't get picking, that they hardly, especially when they get an experience of maybe marriage when not really turn out to the way they want to, and they come up for that level, they don't want to go back, they don't want to hear of love again. You they share that same notion and be narrative. No. You they open for love or you they experience love now.
I like love, you know. So I like love. You know, all the ladies that, you know, I've been with know that I'm a lover boy. I love love.
Okay.
You know, so me I know if you stop to the love. You know, we just the dust time up.
But like right now, how this situation be for yourself? Okay, how the relationship be for yourself right now?
I just love money, die pieces.
But then again, what is the use of money when you don't get person to spend?
My brother, when you get money, they go come. You don't ever see that way you come up from your back. Maybe you go toilet, go fly, they go do like flies. So just chase the money, my brother.
They go come.
Yes.
But any plans to ever like probably give marriage a chance again?
Oh my God, these questions are deep.
No, for real now, because somebody figured it like we say like Skales is the love of my life now, my crush. I plan to probably end up. You know?
I mean, I talk. My heart is open. It's open for it. I'm ready. Anybody that brings the love is right here waiting for anybody.
But you also feel say you did the right place to love. You did the right place to love.
I'm in love already now. I did in love, as I tell you right now.
Like right now, you get somebody not with money, no, with somebody.
Is somebody named Namonina?
No.
No, but I'm open to love. I did very open to love.
Ready to welcome me too.
I am very welcome to love.
Okay. Like Skales don't want pass that particular arrangement. But then again, I understand, sharp. So Martina song they drop on you say you never put date yet, but now September, right?
September, yeah.
September go be a Friday.
Definitely.
Now talking about before we let you go, talking about the Nigerian music industry. A couple of minutes ago, I don't talk severally how the music industry for the last 2 years never experienced a breakthrough artist.
Yeah.
I don't know if you agree with that my particular perspective of the Nigerian music industry, and if you agree or not, why it be like that?
I don't go talk say breakthrough artists never did. I think a lot don't they. Because a lot of new artists don't do way we know before. So that now on a breakthrough.
No, like the way on a take blow. You know how now blow like
every. You know, say that time the industry just saturated. Now like in a day if you find like 1,000 artists they drop and all of them feel they push heavy. You know. So like our time when 5 of us, 3 of us they compete, 2 of us. You know now so many days we because sometimes I look when they say because. Even as the artists they grow, even the consumers
test
consumption don't they very like how they very should I say
they change?
They change. They know they patient. Like like one song know they last again. And it's not sometimes I don't feel I know they feel like saying because of longevity or classicness. It's just because there's too many options now.
So the moment that you listen to it today, all that person they want to listen to tomorrow.
It's no day like before where option no day. So now that song you go just hear.
Listen to.
And so many days now. So I feel like that's the difference. A lot of breakthrough artists don't they? A lot of new artists where we know before.
Don't they introduce? But then if you blow the way most of them are blow.
No, it's possible, man. People they cross over. It's just that say. The streaming era too don't also cost those kind.
But you go say an advantage to the music industry, I'll be disadvantage. I've been a balanced diet, advantage and disadvantage together.
Of course, everything for this life get advantage and disadvantage. So I go say everything just gets in balance. But he pay artists because right now whether you sing and the song blow or no, blow, you can still make money.
But then again, talking about streaming farm, when people you don't ever use streaming farm?
I never use them before.
But what be your take on that? Now something.
People will get money. And then the only problem I get with them now be say, the charts where we see there now, no, they very as important as before again. Before when songs enter charts, say.
You feel brag about
you understand, but now send her money. just get money, my brother. They just wake up, get
like how much it take to actually to get your song on through streaming farm?
I no go lie you, I don't know. Honestly, because I never did bother this because I know say it costs a lot of money. It's not easy, because the way they do them now, be like say I don't know, but allegedly, the way they do them now, who get money past 90 day number one?
90 day number one,
obviously. So, it's not good for the game because they mess up the game. The talents, they really. People where they
reflect again, come like now get money pass.
And everything, the numbers they reflect because some people feel get hot song now for the charts now.
But it's not hot for
people
streets.
People don't know them.
Also, so more just want to wrap up right now. Several occasions, different music executive and evil artists don't talk how if you want to promote a single right now, say you spend it like 100 million.
It pass.
Where they put the money?
Pass. You get one time where many things they say you guys push them abroad. So many things PR,
billboard and the rest.
PR, billboard, advert day for YouTube, for sports everywhere. You guys you marketing. You guys make sure say it everybody face. Everybody must know say you drop music. So it's expensive, man. They like before we na simple thing, put them for radio, put them for now you even need to get influencers to dance
to dance too.
The streams will go like I talk. So many competition days, so you guys or so many people day. So you guys
spend 100 million if you make them back.
I don't know. Now say na faith now. You have to have faith. Na gamble. So so if you know what thing they do, you can get them back. Definitely.
So like this now when they plan to drop your album, you go not keep like 500 million from one side though.
My brother, right now if you even won't open and go fund me.
After the money where you collect for shake body, on top of the tour, we follow you calculate now.
You follow me calculate.
Yes, now you calculate for before you come, you drop off free here. You do small free anyhow. But anyway, I don't feel wait to this go be your. Which number of album be this right now?
Wait, make a count man of the year. Never say never guy, Mr. Love. Which other one again? It could be like 4 or 5. For my fourth album.
Yeah, and you never drop EP.
I don't drop EPs.
EPs. Okay, those are not they added right now. This is gonna be your fourth studio album.
Then maybe overall my sixth project.
Your sixth project. Okay. We go to wait for her, and you do open for collaboration right now because you've been one of the hottest artists for Nigeria right now, right?
Yes,
so they feel easily reach out to you in dollars have been naira.
I just talk to management.
How did you talk to management? That will be you. I love that, though. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate it. I hopefully, saying I'm my guy way back. We will certainly do for the listening party. I hope so you will inform us, maybe invite us.
Definitely.
More can turn up with you on the normal to also get experience of Martina's son.
Yeah.
Okay, so last year you do a concert, right? To end of the year.
Yeah.
You they plan to do the same this year?
Yes, so continuation part 2.
Part 2 of
part 2. Every year now we do them now. Every year.
Okay.
Every year,
so that means it all this seed already. Same location, it go be a different location.
I don't know yet. We still the plan now.
Okay. We go the way to get more info on top of that one. Just share your social media platform for those who would like follow up with you and get to know more about you.
Oh yeah, now for Instagram, my name na Skales Skales. For Twitter, now X, my name na Young Skales YOUNG SKALES. For TikTok, Young Skales, pretty much everything Young Skales. YouTube, search for Skales. Spotify, Skales, everything Skales.
Yeah. Before you come out, wait till you go let the people when they listen right now know about you when nobody know about you. Like 2 things.
I wanna be vegetarian.
You know the chop meat?
Yeah, but I did try my best to start now. But yeah.
Since when?
Since they born me. Yeah, but now I try to small to
the consume.
Yeah, so
I mean, you go to eat a lot of GMO vegetables.
Which one be GMO? Which one be GMO again?
There's plenty if you're vegetarian now.
Are you serious? Which one be that one again?
You don't know GMO?
I did hear them. What's he there about?
No, this one we'll talk about. Thanks for stopping by, my brother. I wish you success on top of your upcoming first studio album. We always there for you 247.